Hi love, welcome back to my channel Little Crown Style. This video is yours if you are looking for a simple and easy hairstyle. First thing first, I'm going to moisturize the hair, spray it, comb it, then I'm going to section it from this front to back, just straight down first. So we're going to section this hair into 4 parts. After sectioning it, I sprayed the hair, I applied a little edge control, and I comb it with wide bit comb. And after this, I'm going to use take comb also to comb it to make sure the hair is very smooth. And after I use this take comb to brush it, I'm still going to use normal hairbrush to do it. So as I'm doing that, I'm just going to use the hairbrush to like take out a little side BS out of from there, because everything is going to go back. This is a very easy and protective hairstyle. If you are looking for easy hairstyle for your child, I think this video is really good, and it saves time. You don't have to waste much time. You just have to just section the hair into 4 and weave it. That's all. We are good to go. But after I finish packing this hair this way, I'm going to apply a little castor oil to it and to keep the hair shining and moisturized. Now these are the 2 types of hair I'm going to be using, kinky afro, and the other one I bought 6 pack of it, and I thought I was going to be using 1, but I end up using 2 of it. So this is how I'm going to go ahead and just make this hair. I'm just going to go ahead and start matting my hair, a natural hair, this way. So I will start adding the kinky coil when I'm almost done with the hair. Just keep watching and see how. And if it's the first time I'm coming across my video, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Susan. I'm a mom of 4 girls, and what we'll do here is I style my children hairstyle. So I will appreciate if you can join the family by subscribing to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop a new video. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your endless support. I appreciate you all. So, and you see the way I'm doing it now, I'm adding, this is the time I'm adding the afro kicking to it. I'm just going to add it till when it's okay for me. You add it the way you want, and I just keep adding it until I get the length that I want. Yeah, just keep watching and see how we use this everything together. So now we are done with the weaving, and these two I didn't add any hair to our hair. This is just a natural hair. I'm going to use black rubber band to hold it three times in three different places. One is the first one is down just to join it together, and the second one is going to be in the middle, and the last one is going to be close to the tip of the hair. And the reason for this is just to make the hair tight. I could just after doing this, I'm going to fold it and use crochet pin to just take it out from the hair itself. And the reason for this is just to secure the hair and not to make the hair too long or too high. You know, she's a child, so this is how it looks like afterwards. And I'm going to use go ahead and just use crochet pin, you know, to put it. First of all, I fold it to make sure I get it the way I want it. So now I'm going to use the crochet pin now to just add it to secure it to the hair. So now this is the hair I'm going to put. So I didn't put the hair in her hair at all. I just put it under. You know, when I join these two together, I create a space there. So that space is where I put this hair. So I used two packs of it. I thought one would be enough, but I realized that it was not full the way I wanted. So I added another pack because I think it was 6 packs I brought together. So I added just 1 pack to it. So after that, I just joined that together. When I joined it, I cross it just to give it a style. And I'm going to go ahead and use extra Kiki Afro to secure this one first before I use the other one to work with the hair. Just keep watching, follow my hand and see how we are doing it. So now we are done with the securing it with the extra one. So this is the one I weaved from the front. I'm just going to go ahead and keep rounding it. You know, it's kicking out from anywhere you hand it, just secure it very well. You don't need, even if you don't secure it with rubber band, it's going to stay. So after I finish with that, I'm going to go ahead and use this one, and I do the other one left and I turn the other one right. So this way it's just as if you are securing the one you started with before. So after that, I just make sure the tip, I need to round it properly. Trust me, this hair is not going to lose. So this is how it turned out to be later. And I felt that the hair was not full enough to my satisfaction. So after I added all this packer, I decided to just work on the hair a little. Just keep watching and see how we turn the coils later. So you tell me if you prefer it this way or the how it's going to turn out to be later. So this is 2 ways. So I decided to just spice it up with this hair clip, and yeah, I'll be using it for a while. And after this, I'm going to just add hair condition to the hair, and we start working on it. So tell me if you like it like this or afterwards. This way I'm doing it now, I'm going to comb it. So you tell me which one you prefer, this or the previous one. So this is the final touch of the hair. So I hope you like this hairstyle, and I hope you're going to try it on your child. If you do, I want to know how your child feel in this kind of beautiful and simple hairstyle. So, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I love you guys. Bye.